Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, January 20th, and today is probably this week. Many of the big economic news to be released is today. So let's go ahead and take a look here. We'll start with the jobless claims. We have actual came in a little lower, 404, after having 420 last, or actually 441 last week. So remember how the market's changed with that. So it's actually pretty good news. Existing home sales also up 5.28 million. So some existing home sales went up again. So that's also good news. Leading indicators show some room for expansion. That's good. But the big disappointing news, I guess, would be the Philly Fed. The manufacturing kind of dropped a little bit. So stock market's down. Why? A lot of it has to do with China's GDP growth for the fourth quarter. It came in at 9.8%. So now, because China is obviously trying to curb off inflation, it's been high, and trying to they're kind of setting themselves up for a bubble right now. They need to try to take preventive measures, and of course now the investors, everybody, are kind of watching them to see what's going on, what they're going to do next to try to curb inflation, because they're going too rapidly, too fast, and need to slow down a bit. So everyone's kind of watching them right now. That's why the stock market's not doing as well as they were. So let's take a look here at the bond market. We got right now, we're starting kind of, looks like we're starting kind of a lower trend here. We had remember I had that big drop on Tuesday right here, where we dropped down here. We had a little bit come back Wednesday, about half of that, but now we kind of dropped again. So today so far we're at -3, even though we kind of dropped more. Probably will be test at 98.5. Looks like we've already kind of passed that 99 mark. That was kind of helping us, but it looks like we'll be testing 98. And with this downward pressure, this could continue going down even back to the levels we saw earlier in December. So that part's not so good. But these are all on the technical sides, and unless we get something that gets us a big push, the push goes upward in the immediate time frame. Right now, it looks like we have a downward trend again. So. Right now, I would also say mortgage rates are also less favorable today compared to yesterday. So, all right, guys, if anything else changes, I'll keep you up to date. But, that's where it's at today.